Top 3 facts insurance companies often don't want you to know about the term insurance. See, you bought a 1 crore of term insurance by just paying 20,000 a year. But have you ever seen someone actually receives 1 crore after a death claim? Fact number 1. High claim expectations versus reality. In many real life cases, the nominee will receive only a part of the sum assured, that is 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, maybe 20 lakhs, and the company still mark it as a claim settled. On paper, it becomes 99% claim settlement, but the nominee doesn't get what they expected. That's why in recent IRDI observations, all the insurance companies were warned not to misuse or highlight the claim ratio to mislead the customers. If anyone is still selling only on the highest claim ratio, please be careful. Fact number 2. Policy lapses is equals to zero coverage. If you miss one premium, policy lapses. Coverage becomes to zero. No sympathy, no exceptions. Term insurance works only when it's active. Fact number 3. Too many features can confuse the purpose. See, today term insurance comes with the return of premiums, disability rider, health benefits, add-ons and more. But remember one thing, you buy term insurance for only one purpose, that is financial protection for your family when something happens to you. Don't fall for the marketing strategies. See, insurance is not about ads. It's about what actually reaches your family when you are not around. For more honest, real fact-based insurance awareness, just follow Policy Facts and don't forget to subscribe the channel.